What's up, traders? Chipage here. Today, we will be doing our analysis. Weekly recap. The price was here last week and it got rejected at this level, this high here, to this EMA. So this EMA will act as a dynamic support. That's why when we go here, we got a bounce to our weekly resistance. So this weekly resistance is our major resistance. We can see here we got a rejection right here. So what are we looking right now? Are we looking for a bounce here to go here, or we go down? So we will find out today. We'll be doing our analysis. Okay, let's clear this. Let's clear this now. And let's do our analysis. Let's start off this first. Okay. So I'm just gonna look for important, no? Yeah, some important at this low level, because so let's get this trend, this minor trend. This minor trend line, this will act as a support to. Okay, all right. Yeah, I think that is the important. I think that's the important. So let's go to the monthly. Oh, and first things first, reminder. This content is for educational purposes only. Trade at your own risk. Okay, what happened to my camera? The camera is kinda dying, man. My camera is dying, and I apologize for that. So next week, okay, let's do our analysis. Let's do our analysis. This level will be our for now we call it monthly resistance, since this candle it will be closing 12 days 12 days 3 days later, no? So it will be that monthly resistance, and here will be our monthly is our flip. Monthly is our flip. Here our monthly support. Okay, and also this will also act as a support too. Monthly support. All right. So our monthly level, if this candle closes above here, this will be our target, not 82, the 82 area. That will be our target. Let's go to the weekly. We call this our weekly support. Weekly support, and this level here also important, will be our weekly support. Support. And this here, our weekly resistance. Okay, and this here, our weekly SR flip. Weekly SR flip. So this level, no, this is where our this candle rejected. So if we close above here on a weekly, that's bullish. So if we close here, the candle closes here, this will be our target next. This level 82. Remember that. And then this level, I will take this level here or here. I will take this level. Call it weekly SR flip. All right. Weekly support, monthly support. So this thing, and this is too far, no? So 86 is also important, no? Later we will get this. Later we will get this level when we close, when we trade above here. We will go this level will be important when we trade above. All right. I think that's our weekly. Let's go to the daily. Daily level. Analysis. So the daily level, we'll be going this upper daily support. Daily support. This also already resist. We call it daily SR flip since the candle closes above there, and we call it our new daily resistance. Daily resistance. All right, also makes sense because of this level, no? The SR flip and the resistance here at this level. Okay, what am I missing? I'm gonna call this daily support. We get a bounce here at 70k level. That's a psychological number, no? We call it daily SR flip na lang. So this level is important. I got so many lines now. Okay, I think that's enough for the day. Let's go with this trend line. Is it broken? Yeah, it's going to break. The trend line is about to be broken, so watch out. It's about to be broken. Maybe we'll bounce here. From here, we're going to bounce. Another now. So okay. I think this is the this level is also important. This ETK, the psychological number. All right. Where are we now? Let's go to the 4-hour. Ouch. We're going down. Okay, we get this. We have a reaction here. We call it for each. Oh, call it for each is R subject. I'm gonna save it. So we get some reaction, broken down, reaction, bounce reaction, broken down, also reaction. So this level is not a random level. Oh, what's happened to my camera? I hit my cameraman. The camera is dying. So this level, this is important now. Take note of that. So now, our main play, what you wanna do is this level, no? If this 70k level broken down below, if the price go here in the future, that's a bearish sign. So what we want to see to keep the bullish scenario is this level will not be broken. Just going to bounce. That's we want to see so that we can keep going high. So this level this is not a random level. This is also important. I said we have a bounce, our initial bounce. We have a bounce here and a bounce here. So this level is important. I take it as its support. I have so many lines now. I don't like this. I have so many lines. I don't like this. I don't like to have so many lines. You know what? Okay. We'll take this. These are the noise. Call it support. Okay, so you have so many lines now. My God, this is crazy. Okay. So my play. My play. So what my play will be, long here, to this 280k, and then if that broken down, well, if here naman, to this level. I have so many lines now. I hate this chart. So many lines. The cameraman is dying. The camera is dying. Okay. So here we'll take a short here. So 75 level. If the candle closes below here, we take a short position. So if the candle closes here, close below, and then mid a retest, and then it got rejected, so we take a short. We take a short to this level, 6900. But if the candle reaction is maybe some weak here and go back up, so that's a bullish reaction. So we'll take here, maybe up, maybe more at 82. So this level, we take this level. We call it psychological resistance. My goodness. Psychological resistance. So that's what we are calling psychological resistance. Okay. That. Okay, this is our play, okay? So many lines. I don't like this, man. Okay, so my play, to sum up, this is my play. If we go here and we bounce this level, we are bullish to this psychological resistance. We are bullish. We go back up here. But if this trend line, what happened to my camera, man? What happened to my camera? Okay. But if this trend line get broken down, this trend line, we will be shorting. No? So if we broke down with a retest, move around here, and we go down here to the 70 key, maybe liquidity sweeps for the here. So maybe like this will happen. Okay. All right. All right. So this is our play next week, no? This is our play next week. Let's see what happened to the MACD. The MACD is bearish. Higher low, you see this is bearish. Higher low, but higher high. So that is a divergence, bearish divergence. So watch out. watch out what happened. This is a bearish now. So taking a short here, if you take a short, if you take a short at this level, you can take profit here. You can take profit. Actually, I like to limit, no, order limit at my levels, because my levels is well respected naman. So I like to take some. All right, I think that's it. So that will be my play next week. So what's out? Maybe we'll have a crash incoming, since we're at a bear market now. So this pump, I don't know. This pump is caused by tweet, no? Trump tweeted here. He tweet about the Hormuz. Here also tweet. Here also tweet. So this pump is caused by a tweet. So we cannot just test that, no? So I think maybe major crash incoming. So we'll see. We'll see next week. All right. That would be my play next week. If you like this video, if you enjoy this video, take a like, subscribe to my channel. Chip it here. I wanna be a billionaire. Thanks for watching.